Welcome back, friends! I feel happy because you will accept a new challenge from me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wish you luck. Choose one button. Yes, no, or maybe. First question. Do you accept this gift? Lamborghini. Next, do this for $100.
Yes, yes, yes.
Would you talk this person? Jackie Chan. Do this for $1 million. Conquer Mount Everest solo. Would you remove this app from your phone? TikTok app. Would you like to take a bath here? Cold waterfall. Do you accept have dinner with him? Leonardo DiCaprio. Do you want to drink this? Margarita. Do you like this? Cycling. Would you like this food? Pizza. Would you participate in this game in real life? Squid Game. Would you trade your phone for this? Nokia N-Gage. Would you take care him? Cute puppy. Would you like to watch this movie? Past Lives movie. Would you like to play this sport? Skydiving. Would you buy this car? Hot dog car. Would you travel to this place? Tokyo, Japan. Would you like to see this? Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Would you like this car? Garbage truck. Would you like to drink this? Water. Would you like to relax here? Ban Giok Waterfall, Vietnam. Do you like to do this? Vacation at the beach. Do you want to meet him in person? Joe Biden. Would you kiss this person? Taylor Swift. Would you live here for the rest of your life? Luxurious classic house. Do you like to stay here for one night? Underwater resort. Would you like to experience this? Camel riding. Would you like to see this? Your parents smile? Do you accept this challenge? Would you adopt this animal? Tiger. Would you complete this simple challenge? Like or comment in this video. Would you like to spend a week here? Mountain. Would you invite him to your birthday party? Clown. Do you like to drink this before eating? Lemon juice. Would you accept this job? Professional sleeper. Do you like to do this? Camping in the forest. Do you like to eat this? Hamburger. Do you want this phone? iPhone 15 Pro Max. Do you want to travel with this car? Mercedes-Benz. Would you like this to happen to you? Travel to Bali for free. Would you want to experience this? Bungee jumping. Would you do this for $1 billion? Naked in Antarctica for 10 hours. Would you join this person's game? Mr. Beast. Would you bring this to your home? Cute kitten. Would you like to eat this? Durian. Do you want to eat this? Eat balut. Would you like this animal? Snake. Do you accept this challenge? Green frog dance. Would you lick this for $1? Lick the ice cream. Would you complete this simple challenge? Subscribe this channel.